Come on, come on, come on. Some say that we are just too different. Too different. Some say that we are unalike. Some say it's impossible. Some say it's improbable. They ask why they should even try. Some say that we can never be friends. Some say the walls will never end. Some say the world is great. Some say it's better that way. So we should make them understand. The time has come. Let's break down the walls. Why should we be afraid? We'll be strong. No hatred, no division. We'll walk a brand new way. Just to get another color of the skin. We believe in the vision of Mahatma Gandhi. We believe in the world without boundaries, without hatred, without division, without the wars and without malnutrition. We believe in a world that is peaceful, where everybody, including you and me, are equal. So let's get to work.